Guys, another practice video covering changing chords in the key of C. We're going to cover the major chords in this family. So we're going to start with the first, C. And if you can't keep up, just try to change chords in time. Now we're going to the fourth. Now we're going to the fifth, G. And to the minor sixth, A minor. So in the key of C, most of your chords will be those four chords. There's also E minor, which I will add also. Let's go back to C. 4 on C. Next, switch to F. Now switch to G. And switch to A minor. Going back to C. Next to F. G, and then to A minor. Good. Back to C, C, next to F, next we're going to G, and A minor. Back to C, next to F, next to the fifth of G, and our sixth, A minor. Back to C. Next to F. Next to G. And then to our minor sixth. I think I missed one of those last time. Let's do it one more time for good luck. C. Next is F. Next we've got G. A minor. Okay, play through this video a few times each practice period.